Hello all, welcome back to Gritty Vlogs channel. The area of Sonda itself is known for its rich spiritual heritage with many ancient temples and ashrams. The place is surrounded by lush green forests and hills, making it perfect for meditation and spiritual reflection. The Sree Rama Trivikrama temple was built during the rule of Sonda Dynasty. The rulers of the Sonda were great devotees of Lord Rama, and they established this temple to honor him. The temple is called as Vikrama because it represents the victorious and powerful form of Lord Rama. The temple has a simple but beautiful structure surrounded by lush greenery. Inside, the main deity is Lord Rama, worshipped in a special form. Unlike most temples where Lord Sri Rama is shown standing with Sita and Lakshmana, here he is in a warrior form, holding weapons ready for battle. This form symbolizes his strength and victory over evil forces like Ravana. Devotees believe that praying here brings courage, strength, and protection. The temple follows traditional puja rituals and special prayers are held on Sri Ram Navami, the birthday of Lord Sri Rama. Sonda is also home to other famous religious sites such as the Swarnavalli Mata, which is an important spiritual center. There are many ancient Shiva temples and ashramas in the region, making it a peaceful place for pilgrims. So that's it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. In my next video, I will show you Sri Vadiraja Mata of Sonda. So until then, stay tuned.